In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed HTML in new Outlook email body. Now to do this, first you want to open your new Outlook. You want to click on the new button top left on the home tab to actually start creating a new email. I'm going to put it full screen like this so we can see a bit better, and there we go. Now of course from here what you have to do is what I'm going to show you right now. You can't actually embed it in here, so if I were to, for example, paste some HTML code, you'll see that nothing is going to happen. There's no button to inspect it when you right click or anything like that, which means we have to take an alternative method, which is also super simple. I'm just going to show you how to do it right now. So you first have to have some HTML code. You can write it down, you can generate it with AI like I did over here, or whatever you want to do. Then whenever you've done this, what I recommend and what I usually do, simply go to Google and type in render HTML. Now you'll see something like this one over here, real-time HTML editor. There's going to be a bunch of different ones. There's viewers, editors, etc. Just select whichever one you want and click on it. And how these things work is you usually just go and basically paste in your HTML. So I'm going to go to the top, delete what's in here, and I'm going to paste my HTML. And then over here you can see this example, which has been generated with Gemini for me over here. And then what you have to do here is the following. Not up here, you want to go to the bottom where you can see kind of the rendered visual of your HTML. You want to click in that window and you want to press Ctrl and A on your keyboard. This is going to copy it like this, or copy selected, okay, just like that. And then you have to right click anywhere and you want to click on copy. Now when you've done this, you can go back to your Outlook and you can just go and basically paste it by right click and paste. And when you do this, you want to click on this button which pops up, which are the paste options. Click on it and click on keep source formatting. And as you can see here, it's not going to be perfect, but it's essentially going to be the exact thing we basically created inside HTML. Now, it may not be aligned perfectly. You may have to fix some alignments by pressing Ctrl A, and then of course you can go and align these things like this or whatever you want to do, but that's essentially how you can achieve this, okay? That's the best workaround. You can then just go and send it, and yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.